Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Faiz Ikhwan. So today I will present about personality test type. So next for the personal type, according to the 16 personalities test, I am an ESTJT. This personality type is known for being practical, responsible, and highly organized. I prefer clear rules, structured system, and efficient ways of working. I am comfortable taking leadership roles and making decisions based on logic and fact rather than emotion. So next for Vitals overview, V values. I value responsibility, discipline, honesty, and stability. I believe success comes from hard work, consistency, and fulfilling my duties properly. I also value respect and reliability in both work and relationships. I am interested in leadership, business management, problem solving, and structured work environments. I enjoy planning, organizing tasks, and working toward clear goals. T traits. Based on my personality test, my traits include being decisive, organized, practical, and goal oriented. I prefer clear instructions and realistic expectation. I work best in structured environment and like having control over my tasks. Abilities. My abilities include planning and organizing tasks, decision making, basic leadership skills, effective communication, and using digital tools such as Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and basic management or productivity software. L. Life goals. My life goal is to build a stable and successful career, achieve financial independence, and become a responsible leader in my field. By 2030, I aim to have a secure job, stable income, and a balanced life. As strength, my strengths are discipline, reliability, leadership, logical thinking, and strong work ethic. These strengths help me perform well in structured and goal-driven careers. So next for SMART goal, S specific, financial stability, M measurable, 15% saving per month. Achievable by do a part-time job and budgeting. R relevant to support my life goal. T time bound by 2030. So next we move to life timeline. In 2026 is my final year in diploma and I prepare for internship. For 2027, complete internship and continue my degree. 2028, do my best in my degree to achieve all the goals. In 2029, starting my small business as a owner shop of a barber shop. And 2030, prepare to end my degree and do a part-time job as a barber. So last but not least, for my reflection, this task helped me understand how my ESTJT personality influenced my career planning and life decisions. The 16 personalities test showed that I am suitable for structured and leadership-based roles, while the Vitals framework helped me identify my values, strengths, and goals. By setting smart career goals and creating a life timeline, I now have a clearer and more realistic plan for my future until 2030. That's all from me. Thank you.